Alright, so once again, welcome back. Today I'm here to continue the AutoCAD 2D basic drawing for beginners. Real quick, this is what you're going to design for today. A very simple drawing. As I've already been telling you, whenever a work is given to you or whenever you want to design anything, you have to make sure you understand everything, the dimensions, where they start from, the angles and everything before you can really draw. In that case, it becomes very easy and understandable. Okay, so let's try and analyze this simple 2D drawing. And if you have any question to ask, you can drop it in the comment section below. If you have anything also you want to ask, or if you want to ask for anything also, please make sure you put it in the comment section below. I also urge you to like the video and share as well. If you've not subscribed, kindly subscribe for more videos. I've promised you are going to do 1,000 2D basic drawings for beginners, so which means you have a lot to do so you are going to learn more. Okay, let's try and see what this thing says. Now from this place I am seeing a circle here. At the same time, there's an arc below. Now this internal circle or an arc is having a radius of 20. Okay, this arrow is showing the radius of this. Now a radius is half of a circle. So those of you who don't know, a radius is half of the circle. The full length is the diameter. Okay, now the outer one is also having a radius of 30. Is that right? And then the distance between these 2 points is 50. You can see up here. Now there's an arc here, and the radius for this arc is 30. There's another one to here, 30. And look up here, there's a circle here, a radius of 8, and this one arc here, radius of 15. Now when you look up here, there's a slot here. Now the distance from here to this first point is 40. The same applies to this side. Okay, we have a radius, two radius here, inner and then outer. The outer is 15, the inner is 8, so which means this one, this is having a radius 8, here too is 8, because they are the same. Okay, so we are going to start from the bottom here. I will always like to draw a vertical and a horizontal line, which is going to help me to draw my work. So let's start. Now to start, you can choose a template or you can just click start drawing. If you want already made template in metric, you just click the template and then you choose Acadiso D.DWT. Alright, this one is already in millimeters, so when you choose, you are safe. If you want to check, you can just type in unit and then you check, you press enter. You can see it's already in millimeters. Okay, so let's start. So to start, I'm going to draw a line anywhere on my screen, a vertical line, a straight line, and then I'll draw a line again, horizontal one. Now anytime you initiate a command, example, let me clear it and start again. Example, if I click on line, or if I type L on my keyboard for line and I click anywhere to draw the line, when I press escape and I want to go back to the same command, you can either press enter again, the previous command that you just ended will start again. So I click here and I draw my horizontal line. Sorry. Okay, so from this place I have two radius, 120, 130. So let's draw that. You click on circle, or you can type C on your keyboard for circle, then you click here. Now if you want radius, this is already giving us radius, so we want a radius. So the radius is, you have 20, so you enter 20, you press enter, and you can see it's very small. So what you can do is you zoom out. Okay, you zoom out using your scroll button, you zoom out. Okay, so there's another circle again with radius of This was 20, so another radius of 30, so you enter 30, you press enter. Is that right? Okay, so we've drawn this one. Now let's try and draw this line 50. So now we can measure this line. If possible, we can delete it and draw it again with a measurement of 50 so that you don't have any problem. 50. All right, so you zoom out. This way is it. So you circle, or you go here, you click the end point. We have a radius of 8 and 15. So now when you click on circle and you bring your mouse point to the end of the line and you are not seeing this square, this green square, is probably your snap object is off. So to enable it, you just come down here to object snap. Okay, object snap, or you can press F3 on your keyboard, it will open. So when you press F3, it will open to tell you it's on or off. Mine is now on. Or you can even click here, simply click here. Now when you click here, see my end point is check, midpoint, check, center, so the ones you need. Mine are always on. Okay, so let's continue. So you click on circle, endpoint, radius is 8, so 8, and I think the other one is 15. So I press enter again, radius of 15. Okay, now I think we are done at this side. The same way, let's delete this line and draw. All right, so from here you can see from this side to this side is 80. Okay, we have 44, so it's 80. So you can draw another line from this side, the center point. Make sure your line is horizontal. 80, you press enter. Okay, and we have a slot, and this side, the radius for this side and this side is 8. So you just go to circle, and here, let's check, and here is radius of 8. Then there's another one in the center which is also 8. You press enter. Correct. Now after that you have another one, this one, a radius of 15. So let's draw that circle. The circle and points, a radius of 15. Okay, now we are done with all the circles. So what is left for us to do? Let's start with this line. You can see there's a straight line here touching this arc over here. It's tangent to this arc. So let's do that one. So just click on your line, or you press L, click this side, you click this side. Now you have the straight line. Now let's try and draw this line tangent to this bigger circle. There's a line here. So to do that, press on L for line. Now when you bring your cursor to your drawing, you see that you are seeing the quadrant, this side, and this side, this side, and this side, but the line is also tangent to the circle. So how do we get it? Now for you to get a tangent, after clicking on the line, you press on the shift key again, you right click, you click on tangents, and then when you see the green circle, you click on it. Now your line will be tangent to the circle. Okay, now you can see there's an arc here, so let's see the radius of 50. Now to draw that arc, remember I told you there's a circle command called tan radius. So we've been given the radius, so it just needs to be tangent to this and this. So you click on tan radius, you click on this circle to be tangent to this, click on this circle to be tangent to this, and then our radius is 50. So you just enter 50. The command says specify radius of circle is 50. So you enter 50 on your keyboard and your circle will be drawn. Now let's trim the unwanted part. You can click on trim, or you can use the TR command, TR for trim. Press enter. You trim this side, you trim the unwanted part that you don't need. Okay, you don't need this side. So for right now, I'll leave it. Okay, let me clear this one as well. Alright, now I'll leave it as it is. Well, we won't need this circle, this line again, so let me delete them. Okay, so let's draw this arc. You can there is an arc here, 30 millimeters, which is also tangent to this and tangent to this. So let's draw tan radius, this 30, right? Enter 30. The same way you can mirror, you can also draw. Click here, previous dimension was 30, so 30. Press enter. Now let's trim TR, trim this side, trim here. We don't need these ones. Okay, I think here. Carefully trim the unwanted part. Alright, so what you are left with is just this one, a straight line. So see, the line is tangent to this one, so you just draw a straight line from the quadrant to the quadrant. The same way, press enter here, this side. Now you either use TR for trim, or you click on the trim command, trim this side, you trim this side, and now our work is done. If you want to increase the thickness of the line, you can go here, line width. Now if you are not seeing it here, you have to go to customization down here, and then you will look for line width here. If your own is not checked, you won't see it up down here. So if it's not checked, come here, customization, and go to line width and check it. Well, when you check it, you have to do a couple of settings. You come down here and right click on it, go to line width settings, and then you select the line thickness that you want. Okay, you can select anywhere. In my case, I will select 0.3 mm. Okay, so with that one, when you click on it, it will take effect. All right, thank you for watching. If you have any question, please leave it in the comment section, and then I would like you to like the video, share it as well, and subscribe to the channel. Thank you for watching. See you in another video.